with Nika and Norjan, I'd worked with them separately before. And I was really fascinated by their capabilities and range as actors. And I felt like there was something instinctually about both of them, that they had this real capacity to be incredibly fierce and yet vulnerable. And I was really struck by the fact that I'd met two actresses with this ability. And I thought, what would happen if I put them together? What we all realized is we wanted to tell a story with fierce women at the heart of it. And I had come across a documentary about 10 years prior about twin sisters who had a shared psychosis and were found walking along the middle of the M6 in England, threw themselves onto oncoming traffic and survived with remarkable fury. And we used that as our launch point to investigate what would cause two sisters to behave like that. And then we fictionalized it.